Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about Azure DevOps and AWS. In ML Ops series, we shall cover the generative AI application development and deployment with Azure AKS part 2. On this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Azure Cloud. If you have any query, please message me on the channel. Every video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start for the part 2 of generative AI application development and deployment on AKS Azure Kubernetes Service. First of all, I shall recap the part 1 of this series. Recap of generative AI part 1, key learning. The main learning that we have covered in the part 1. Like, first of all, what is the generative AI? Generative AI is about the creation of the new content of images, music, video, or other form of media. The second thing that we have covered in the part 1 is the way the generative AI work. The generative AI use the deep learning techniques for this. These three techniques are generative AI, adversarial network, GNS, and other is BAE, and the third one is the transformers. These are the techniques that we shall use in the generative AI normally. After that, in the part 1, we have discussed the popular models of AI, about the generative AI. Models means the different model that we shall use to create the application for the different model. Like in JP4 we create the text app, in Dell we create the video music app, and we create the application from the description of the text. And the other one is about the famous style gain from the for the famous D part, in which the D part we shall get the photograph, and the last one is the UDEC, in which we create the application about the music. Now, in the parts second of this series, we shall cover the different things about the generative AI. Top application of generative AI in 2025 real world use cases across the industries. Across the industry that we shall use generative AI are different. Like for the in the industry, in the text generation, like we shall create the content, we shall use the chatbot and the virtual assistant for the automation of customer support with the conversational agent that generate text proposals. It means that we can use chatbot, virtual assistants by using the text generation. And after that, we shall in the generative AI we can create the image and the video, like the image synthesis, art generation, deepfake technology. Deepfake technology is the technology in which we shall the generating realistic video or image that appear to show real people doing or saying something they did not actually do. These are the different things that different industry are using. Like the other one is the music composition. We can use generative AI for the music composition. Yeah, the generative AI music models creating the original music based on the generative mode or instrument like the OpenAI, UDEC, or Amper Music. And the 3D model generation. 3D model generation, we can create the app for the 3D model generation in the generative AI, using AI to assist in the design process. In the healthcare industry, we can use the drug discovery. Generative AI can assist in creating a new molecular structure for drug and development. Medical imaging. Medical imaging synthesis medical images to assist in diagnosis and research. It means that in almost all industry we can use the generative AI. The next one is the, again, the last two is the video games and the virtual worlds. We can use generative AI for the procedural content generation, automatically generating vast diverse content for the video games or the virtual world such as level, environment and characters. And the seventh is the data generation, synthetic data generation. Generative AI can create the synthetic data set to train other AI model, which is useful when real world data is scarce or expensive to obtain. It means that in all walk of life we can create the application by using the generative AI, different models. In order to complete the generative AI, it is mandatory to discuss the AI in this scenario. So artificial intelligence is referred to simulation of the human intelligence in machine that are programmed to think, learn and perform tasks typically required human intelligence. So the main definition for the artificial intelligence is as described. For the last one, in the key aspect of the artificial intelligence, core concept, technology and use cases. In the artificial intelligence, we will use it in for the different purposes. For the learning, like we can use different techniques of ML and deep learning for in the learning department, in the education department. And the other one is reasoning. Reasoning means we can use it in our research, decision making task. Artificial intelligence can be used in complex decision making tasks. And then in case of learning, we can use different techniques by using the machine learning and the deep learning based on the new information. And the third one is the problem solving. We can solve the complex problem by using the AI. AI system can solve problem autonomously by analyzing data and applying the right strategic algorithm to reach the solution. The last one is the key aspect of artificial intelligence, core concept, technology and use cases. The fourth one is perception. AI can use sensor, camera and other devices to get information about the environment such as the computer vision, recognize object in image or video or speech recognition. Transcribing the spoken word to the text. And the fifth one is the natural language processing, NLP. AI can understand and generate human language, enabling communication with user in a natural way. This is seen in technologies like chatbot, voice assistant and translation system. So these are the different core concept of the artificial intelligence and the different technologies that we can use in the artificial intelligence. And in the next part of this series, we shall cover the more detailed terms of the artificial intelligence and generative AI. And at the end, we shall develop the application by using the trained model and by using the Python language in this course. See you in the next part of this series. Wish you good luck for your career.